Today is my first day of summer vacation. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariely Sanchez and I am a fourth grade teacher in South Florida, and today is my first day of summer vacation. I can't believe it. I'm officially in summer vacation, and actually today is Saturday, June 9th, 2018, and you won't believe this, or maybe you would, because if you're a teacher, you'll understand. The way that I've spent my summer vacation, my first day of summer vacation, is sleeping and relaxing. I was in bed pretty much all day. Right now is 8 p.m. I know, but I want to make it a point. Whoa, I almost fell. But I want to make it a point, and there's so many cars passing right now. But I want to make it a point this summer vacation to at least get out of my house, even if it's just 1 hour each day, just so that I don't only stay home and I kind of get to enjoy the outdoors and also do some other fun things other than being in bed watching TV. But I needed that today because of the very long week that I had packing up my classroom, which I'm not done yet. I'm going to go back on Monday, as you may have seen in my previous vlog. But I am actually getting ready to head out with my son to Barnes & Noble and probably get something to eat afterwards. So I wanted to kind of vlog on what I'm doing on my first official day of summer vacation for 2018. All right, so here is almost like a day in the life, even though it's not a whole day. It's just an evening in the life. All right, so I'm gonna get ready to go, and I'll probably see you once I get to Barnes & Noble. So I just got to Barnes & Noble, and I'm actually here because I have a gift card that my nephew gave me for my birthday, so I am able to buy something for myself. So I always like to buy new books for the summer. I mean, I already have enough that I need to catch up on because I haven't been able to read them during the school year. So I do have a stack that I am going to read, which sometime this summer I'll show you. So right now I'm just going to look around and see what books I'm interested in getting, and yeah, walk around the store, get a matcha latte. And I actually counted the days. We actually have 66 days of summer vacation before we actually have to report back on August 14th for our first optional day. All right, so let me get around the store and I'll show you around what I see. So Jonathan just picked out 2 Lego sets for his birthday because he has a gift card and he loves Lego and he loves marble, and he's specifically in love with Thanos right now. So he wants to collect all the Lego sets that have Infinity Stones. So this one has the blue Infinity Stone, and this one has... Does this one have an Infinity Stone?
Yes.
Where is it? Oh, it's on the other side. Oh yeah, this one has the yellow Infinity Stone. So these are some really cool Lego sets that he's gonna get for himself. Nice boy. Now I gotta pick a book for myself. All right, so I picked my books. So I've been looking at this book for a while now, so I'm definitely gonna get it. It's Bob, but I mean, I read the blurb and it's so adorable. So, and I love Rebecca Steed and Wendy Mass. So, yep, can't wait to check it out. I also heard really good things about this one. It's only $6.99. This is posted. And of course, I've also read good things about this one. And I've been meaning to read it for a long time now. And it is a graphic novel, so can't wait to read it because I know that I've read from others, I've seen posts, and I've heard really great things about this book. So yeah, those are the 3 books that I am getting with my gift card. And my son is getting those Lego sets right there. Awesome. So now I'm gonna go to the check register and check out, and Cheesecake Factory is right around the corner and I have a gift card to go there too. So that's where I'm gonna have dinner. So I got to take you along so you can see what my dinner is. So yep, let's go and check out with these things that we are buying today. But before we check out, I have to make a self-correction. It is not the yellow infinity stone, it's the Mind Stone. And it is not the blue spin. And it is not the blue infinity stone, it is the space stone. I think I'm making my son happy with this correction. I love you. All right, now let's check out.
Steve Rogers, and 2 of the things.
2 of those aliens that attack them.
They're called the Outriders.
Outriders, and then this awesome ship.
Yeah, they come out of it.
Look at that.
Look.
I love, oh my goodness, you can put them in there?
Mm-hmm. Like this. So you put them in standing. Like that. Pulls them up in there.
Very nice. I love it. Good job, honey. We just finished having dinner at Cheesecake Factory. As you saw, we had a great time. Jonathan built one of his little sets, which you saw, and when we get home, he might build the other one. Who knows? If he does, I'll include a speed through here. We had a great time, and now it's time to go home. And I hope you enjoyed watching this first video of what happens to a teacher when it's summer break. It's my first day. So here's to 65 more. Let's see what we get ourselves into, right? So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and let me know what you thought or any questions that you may have. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell for notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Have a beautiful, magical day, and don't forget to smile.